If you are eagerly waiting for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung is just as eager to show it off to you. In June alone, the company has posted two teaser announcements, one touting an ultra version of its foldable and the other promising the thinnest Galaxy Fold ever. While that first teaser sparked talk of a Galaxy Z Fold Ultra model, we think Samsung still plans to release a lone Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 offering too. This one figures to draw heavily from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition that launched last year. This was itself based on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 but increased the size of the display and improved the main camera while making the body lighter and thinner. And wouldn't you know it? Those are rumored changes coming to Galaxy Z Fold 7. With Samsung facing stepped-up competition among the best foldable phones, you may wonder if that's enough to push the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to the top of the heap, but Samsung may have some other changes to talk about based on other rumors we have heard so far. When we look at the previous Galaxy Z Fold launches, it seems likely that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be announced in July, with the phone going on sale either later that month or in August. That matches the latest report, which claims that Samsung is looking at holding the next Galaxy Unpacked event in early July. Specifically, reports are tipping a July 10 launch date. With the launch a month away, pricing is starting to come into focus. As you may recall, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 got a $100 price increase, bringing its starting cost to $1,899. A leaker posts that prices shouldn't change this year. In other words, look for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to cost $1,899 too. We have heard that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 may be harder to find due to smaller quantities being produced than in previous generations. Hopefully, that won't impact users who are already interested in foldables and potentially buying Samsung's new one. But it could be that Samsung's still struggling to get regular phone users to ditch their traditional slate-style device in favor of something more flexible and is adjusting its production estimates to compensate. Even with just a month before the Galaxy Z Fold 7's rumored launch date, we are expecting more rumors to bring things into focus. And given Samsung's eagerness to hype up the new phone, some of those rumors could come from the company itself. One big factor in the Galaxy Z Fold 7's launch won't be known until Samsung actually holds the big event, and that's what kind of Galaxy AI features are coming to the foldable. Certainly, we'd expect the new Fold to support the same AI capabilities introduced with the S25 launch this year, but if Samsung is serious about this ultra business, that could mean Galaxy AI specific features for its foldables.